In this video, you will be making the chimney and the second floor. Alright, no more serious voice. Okay, so we need to load a chimney, mantle, and then I'll show you how to do a camera view real quick. Okay? Alright, here we go. We need to go and load some components. So, I'm going to try to do it a little bit differently. We're going to go to component this time. I know last time I opened files, this time I'm going to go to component, and we're going to do it that way because that's officially the correct way. Go load family, and then we're going to go find your share drive. So go share, with, Autodesk Seek files. I need you to open up two of these. You can press Control and open up both of them. So press Control and click both. I need the chimney, wall, and the mantle. Press Open. They both should pop into your drawing. Give it a second. Not sure how opening up both of them was a good idea, but I did it anyway. And here comes one. Oh, they both popped in. Cool. Alright, so we're going to put the chimney, put it right between the two windows. Just dump it in there in the middle of your wall. Okay. This part should be outside. This part should be inside. This is your brick and mantle. Okay. Well, actually, no, the mantle's not in yet. Press on component. Click on this, and the mantle's right here. I'm not sure which one to do. I'll do the bigger one. Okay. When you get it in here first, to rotate it, you hit spacebar, and just put it right in the middle there. Okay. Now, let me show you how to see what this whole thing looks like. And then we'll see if we're on the right side or not. If you go up to the house at the top of your screen, you'll see where it says camera. Click this. Click somewhere in your room. Now I'm holding down my left mouse button and I'm moving it outside my house. If you click, that's what you just did. Well, it looks pretty good. If you want to see it with all of its materials and glory, click on the little hidden box at the bottom and go realistic. And now you will see the chimney with mantle and everything else. So, looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Okay, cool. So you got that in. We're going to go back to first floor because we're going to use some of these features to help start off with the second floor. Alright, I'm going to teach you something new. Something even you people who have done this may or may not know. We're going to copy walls from one floor to the next because I can reuse it. Here's how I do this. Press on the Control key, click on a wall, this one, this one, this one, and this one. These four walls. The modification toolbar should have activated. I want you to hit this button right here. It's called Copy to Clipboard. You also can press Control C and it will do the same thing too. Okay. Next, we're going to hit second floor. Okay. And you'll see this paste button. You can do one or two things. You can either align to select level, which will let you choose a level, which of course is second floor. Or there's an option for aligning to current view. It doesn't matter. And it should just pop right in. So there you go. Okay. We have archways in here. It looks good. I do want to erase these though. I don't want these anymore. So go ahead and erase these archways on your second floor. Now, a few of you might be seeing an echo from the bottom, which is totally fine. If you want to turn that off, there is a way. Scroll down on your keyboard. There is a thing called underlay. There it is. It's a little bit different from like what I'm used to. And you can change this to none. And everything underneath will vanish, which is fine. Okay. So we have these walls copied. Okay, the first thing in this adventure that I would like to show you is how to adjust your garage wall, because it is wrong. If you click on 3D, you look at your house, you'll notice that you have drywall going all the way up. That's bad. I don't want that. So real quick, click this wall. If yours is fine, then keep it. But I want to move this down to the second floor. Okay, that way this is only on this level of the wall. Okay. So go back to second floor now. This is going to be a little bit of a procedure, so just bear with me on this one. Okay, here we go. click on walls, so architecture, walls. And I would like you to click on your normal exterior wall, which is the exterior wood siding on wood stud. Okay. And go ahead and draw this out. Now actually, I'm going to put this in the middle of my wall so I can align it properly, just in case. And I'm glad I did, because this should be on the outside. Okay, once you have this in here, I want you to click Modify, click Align, and once again we're going to align this with this, that way these things line up. Okay. Now, once you have that finished, I'll wait a second. Look at it in 3D, and I want you to see what it looks like. Now you see here we automatically have a problem. Yes, we have this problem too, and I will fix that. We have the bottom wall here, so we need to fix that next. So here's what we're going to do. In 3D, we're going to click this, because it doesn't matter if we can do things in 3D or not. Click on Edit Type. This thing will pop up. Mine popped up on my other page because I have a split screen going on right now. Okay, click Duplicate, and we're going to call this Above Garage Wall. So go ahead and do that real quick. Okay. Click on Edit Type. We're going to do a lot of similar stuff from last time. Click Modify and go to the attributes so you can see this. We're going to go Sweeps again. We're going to get rid of these two things. So delete, delete, press OK. That will allow you to get rid of these. Okay. Next step is I'm going to do a merge. This time I'm going to merge down. I think I did that last time too. Actually, I did. Merge regions, and I'm going to merge down. Okay, so zoom in there, that thing goes down, and that should make this thing go all the way down. Alright, so go ahead and press OK. Oops, I got an error. Okay, so I need to delete this. The memory layer can remain 0. So I deleted the second one. So pressing OK, pressing OK. Now, if I press Escape, you'll see how I have a normal looking wall here, and that's what I should have. Okay, so let's go back to our second floor. All right, next thing is this little gap. I'm just going to grab this guy. I'm going to go above here and make these attach. If there's an error, don't worry about it. You can always come in here and back this up a little bit so it's right on it. And there we go. We have a nice smooth wall now. Perfect. Okay, let's start doing the other interior walls here. And if I have time in this video, I'll do doors and stuff too. So first thing is we have a closet right here. Here's how we're going to do that. I'm going to click Wall. But make sure you have your 4.5 partition, because otherwise you're going to do an exterior wall inside the house, and that's bad. I'm going to change this to center line for now, because I want this to be drawn smack dab in the center. Let's go down about 2.6, draw this over, Escape, click here, drag this out. We'll dimension it later. I'm just dumping stuff so it's lined up. Okay. I am going to yeah, I need to move this down. This wall here needs to be dragged down to here. So that's there. If you get a little hangover like this, you always can go to Modify and just do a Trim and Extend. Okay? I'm going to put a new wall about here. Like I said, I'm just eyeballing right now. Then I can take this and drag it out because it's a bedroom. Another wall. It'll line up with that one. So we're just going to go up and over. Little closet. Another wall here. Like I said, I don't care much about measurement right now. I'm just trying to get it placed. Another wall there. So do that real quick. And hang on, there's one more wall. Because there is a look down here. Right there. Okay? Alright, dimensioning. Throw in some dimensions, okay? We know these are fine, so I'm going to go from here to here. Okay? And what other measurements do I need? From here to here. Here to here. I'm just going to set them all first, and then I'll change them here in a minute. Inside, here, oops, inside, here. I'm going to drag this up here. Otherwise, I won't be able to see it too well. Here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay, and the rest should be already set. So if I want to, I can do one here also, just so I know that these are in the center. If not, I could adjust it. That's not a big deal. In fact, I hate this number. Okay, so first I'm going to change this to 8 feet 3 inches because it drives me nuts that it's a really odd number. And that's fine. Actually, I go 8, 3.5, and that should center it, and it does. These need to be 2 feet, so click this wall, change that to 2 feet. Okay, I'm going to click this wall here, find the correct measurement. It's that one. I'll change that to 4 feet. Once again, click this one, change that to 2 feet. This wall right here, activate this, 8 feet 5 inches. And then I am going to put a dimension from here to here. Make this 5'11". Okay, and then this one right here, I'm going to make that 8 feet. Yes, I accidentally adjusted that, so I need to go back and change that real quick. Sorry. Easy exchange. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this just for a second on my screen. So if you want to pause your video real quick and change those, I'll get the right ones here in a minute. Okay, you're obviously done. At least got that part done. Let's change this. We're just going to keep that simple and go 5 feet. We'll make this one right here 6 feet. And this guy right here will go 9'4". Okay, so your walls are all set now on this floor for what you need. Okay? It may look a little funky with some of these items, but we are going to get it fixed. Okay, the next thing I need to do is I need to add a wall here. If you look at it in 3D, same thing just happened. I got this with a big gap on it, so I need to fix that and bring this wall backwards. So back to second floor, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the same wall that we used last time, this above garage wall, and I'm just going to put it right here. So you go walls, click here, find the above garage wall. It's probably here at the bottom because you used it once. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to dump it like right here because I'm not going to care if it's right or not, because if you don't, it gets hard to shift it. Okay. Top level roof, that looks great to me. Now the next thing I'm going to do is do an align tool. So if I click this, it activates my modifications. Click here, click this, I get an overlap. I'm not sure why, but I think it's fine. Click on 3D. I think it looks good. I'm happy with that. Okay, last thing to do on this is to bring this wall back to here, and your second floor walls are now done. The video is running out of time, so I'm going to have to wait until the next one, but your second floor is now complete. Next will be doors and windows up here, which won't take a whole lot of time. All right, thanks. See you next time.